Oh, I love this one. You know, I'd really love to do this, and this usually comes from promoters. All right, I'm in. Okay, let's start making your list. When's your challenge party? I've got time next month. What are you doing in September? Could I pencil you in September? I can't really start promoting this yet. I can't get going yet because I've got to make sure that I know it all first. I've got to go get my medical degree. I've got to go study and understand the science of weight loss, the science of getting healthy. I've got to study all the ingredients in the bag. And it's very important to me that when my uncle asks me what glyconutrient polyethyl monocholic, I need to be able to know what that is. Because I don't want to look stupid. You guys ever heard that before? I got to know it all. Here's what I love. Well, actually, I don't love it at all. No, I won't say that word. But when people say this to you, this is a very egotistical standpoint. And all you have to do is get them focused and understand that the way we build this business, what makes life transformation processes in our business for individuals is that anybody can do it. Whenever anybody looks at you and they say no, you guys want this one little piece of information I want to give you here. Anybody who's ever said no, you want to know why they said no? I would really love to raise my voice right now, but I'm going to ask you one more time. Does anybody want to know why anybody ever said no to you? That was pretty loud. Here's why anybody ever said no. It's because they don't believe they can do what you're doing. They can't see themselves doing what you're doing. And the reason for that is because you're too damn smart. One thing that I learned is that the dumber I got, the more money I made. Sounds crazy, but it's true. The dumber I got, the more money I made. Because it all comes down to your prospects, the people you're talking to, the people in your business. They look at exactly what you're doing, and they're asking themselves one question and one question only. What is that question, guys? Can I what? And if you're rattling off your, look how smart I am because I spent 30 years studying this bag of shake before I actually went out and did something with it, then they're going to look at you and say, are you crazy? There's no way, shape, or form. There's no way in heck I'm going to get out there and learn all that information so that I can go and promote this. They're going to say stuff like this to you. Well, you know, of course you're doing well. You just went and got a degree in medicine so that you could promote this. They're going to say a lot of crazy things. Guys, the most beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to know everything. We've got a program that enables you to be able to earn and learn. Earn and what? Earn and what? Earn and learn. You earn and learn at the same time. The simplicity behind what we're doing is the most beautiful thing about it. Jay, what's in the shake? I don't know. Stuff that makes your clothes fall off because you lose so much weight every time you drink it. I don't feel the need to do it. Jay, does this work? I don't know. I saw about 5,000 people who qualified for a BMW car payment that walked along this stage. You don't need to know everything. What's in it? I don't know. Stuff that makes you lose weight. Next question. You do want to lose weight, don't you? That's why you said you want to lose 10 pounds? Great. All I know is that if you drink this shake, there's a chance that you may lose weight. I'm not a salesperson. Oh, me neither. Be a challenge person. Be a challenge person. Stop trying to frickin' sell the product. Because you're not going to make any money selling the product. And if you're not making any money, it means you're not bringing people into the business. You're not getting people on the challenge, which means you're not changing anybody's life. So you got to get out there and be a challenge person. We don't sell the product. All we do is promote a what? Promote a what? My God, there's nothing to sell. All we do is share stories. All we do is share stories. All we do is share stories. And the more you don't know, or the more you don't say, and the more stories you say, the more you're going to get out there and build a successful business. I learned something about 10 years ago, and he said, Jay, he said, stories sell. Stories what? And facts tell. Stories sell, facts tell. So stop selling and tell more what? Tell more stories. Slide, please. Because if you do all those different things, here's a few things that your prospects are going to say. Well, Jay, you know what? I'd love to come to your challenge party, but my fish got sick, and I had to take him to the vet. I'm a Libra, and I just can't make up my mind. Hey, I'm a Gemini. Can we both sign up? Hey, what? Cow. I just bought a lottery ticket, so, good luck with that challenge, but I'm good. Sounds a little too risky. Really? Sounds risky? Here's some shake. Here's some product that's going to change your life health-wise. Go out there and change a couple other people's lives with it. Promote the product. You're going to save money on a monthly basis just for taking the product. That sounds risky to you? I'll tell you what sounds risky is that stack of 60 lottery tickets that you got sitting in your hand, and you're just sitting there praying that you're going to get it out. Why don't you get out of your seat, go and do something that's going to make a difference with somebody, and go and design and create your own lottery ticket? How about that? I don't need Body by Vi, Jay, because I'm dead sexy. And I've already got a slim, beautiful, muscular body and all the energy that I need. In fact, I'm a dead sexy millionaire. How many of you guys know your prospects are going to say some stupid stuff? They're just going to say it. They're going to say it. And you just need to get over it. That's it. I've heard every excuse. I've heard everything you could ever possibly imagine. I can't do this. No one came to my challenge party. Jay, I signed up. I got excited. No one showed to my challenge party. I can't do this. Guys, who the heck cares? Here's a quarter. Go call someone. Like, really? Nobody showed up to your challenge party? Guess what? 7 people showed up to my challenge party. I wish nobody showed up to my first challenge party. So I had 7 people show up, and all those little excuses that I just went through, there was a lot more nastier ones than that, but I couldn't put them in print. But I went, how many for 7 do you think signed up at my first challenge party? Yeah, 7, you'd think, eh? Some people say, Jay, yeah, 7 people you signed up 7 people. I bet you signed up every single person you talked to. That would make it easier. No, 0 people signed up to my first challenge party. I did 7 challenge parties, 7 days, 7 on Saturday, had 1 people show up for a couple of them, 2 people show up for a couple of them, and then finally when I got pissed off enough that I was wasting my time in trying to just stick my toe in the water, I said, forget this. If I'm going to do this, I'm making my list of 200 people. I called 100 of them. We had 44 people show up between the group of people that we put together. Then we hit Ambassador in 45 days, 5-star in 9 months, Crown Ambassador in 15 months. It all came from that action. So who cares if somebody didn't show up to your challenge party? Here's a really great idea. Do another one. Call more people. One of the most important philosophies that I could share with you is that a compass is more important than a watch. A compass is more important than a watch. Don't look at this like a race. This is not a race. Now, yes, we're the fastest growing company in North America in direct selling history. It's kind of cool. But don't look at this from that standpoint. Look at this. This is your business. This is your opportunity to change whose life? Whose life? Your life. Don't look at this as a race. I love when we had at the National Success Training, we had, I forget their names. I really wish I could have remembered it. They've been here for 5 years, and they hit Ambassador. And they went, and they went, and they went, and they went, and they never quit. Do you think that those people remember what happened back in year one? Do you think they really cared or tell the story that nobody showed up to their first challenge party? Guys, they knew where they were going. They had a dream. They had a mission. And they weren't going to let anybody take that dream away from them, no matter what, no matter how many people said no. And if we all took that philosophy and understood that all you need to do is know where you're going, it's not about the failures that you've had along the way. There is no destination. The journey is the destination. What we're a part of right now is the destination. So don't worry about if anybody showed up to your challenge party. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't anything. Slide, John. Lord, Lifton, I hate this thing. My team isn't working. Have any of you guys ever said that? Everyone's scared to put up their hand now. They're like, he's going to make fun of me. I've said it. My favorite slogan. I had tried network marketing a few years before I joined Visalis. And, my big thing, I quit. I was like, this is stupid. It doesn't work. Nobody's doing anything. And my favorite slogan was I would pretend like I was choking somebody, and I would say, do something. That was my idea of motivational speaking. Hey, you know what? I got in, you got in, so frickin' do something. And if everybody just did what they were supposed to do, then this whole thing would work. But nobody does what they're supposed to do. So this doesn't work. So I quit. Stupid. Absolutely stupid. My team isn't working, gang. Here's, I took that philosophy where I had this, hey, I did this, so you got to do this. No, it's not about that. Remove that. This business isn't about you. This business is about everybody else. So remove you from the equation. If you're looking at you and you're like, hey, do something. If you're saying do something because you want them to do something so you can advance your rank, your heart's in the wrong spot and your business is never going to advance. You got to take you out of the equation. You got to focus on their hopes and dreams, and you got to get in there and help them with that. And ladies and gentlemen, if your team's not working, then here's my recommendation. Go and find some new people that want it as bad as you do and put your time and energy into them, and stop wasting your time with all the people that have all the stupid excuses so they can justify as to why they can quit thinking they tried. This is a numbers game, guys. Just run the numbers. Run the numbers. There's going to be a lot of people who are going to say they want this. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to get out there and say, yeah, I really want to do this. But as soon as they find out there's a little bit of work involved, they're going to do what they always do, which is quit. One thing that I've always said is how you do anything is how you do everything. How you do anything is how you do everything. If you quit this, I know that you've quit a lot of things in your life, because how you do this is how you've ever done anything. Run the numbers and find yourself. That's all I look for. Find people that want it. Find people that deserve a shot. Find people that want a shot. And pour your time and energy into those people. Look for you. And then once you find you, then you run even faster.